Your Amazon affiliate site blueprint. Hello, welcome and thanks for choosing this video course. In this video, I'll be talking about your Amazon affiliate site blueprint. Are you looking to make some money with your blog? Are you good in driving a constant traffic into your blog or website? Why not sign up for an affiliate marketing program for some extra income? Amazon, the world's largest e-commerce site, has a well-established affiliate marketing program called Amazon Associates that allows you to earn up to 12% of the total sales value of a transaction originating from your referral website. That's a pretty decent figure you earn for a successful referral. E-commerce companies nowadays are trying to outdo each other in terms of sales, and they're investing on every marketing channel available. Affiliate marketing is where they're interested mainly for the returns it can guarantee. So how does it work? Well, it's really simple. Once you open your Amazon account, you can insert plenty of Amazon HTML links into your articles or blog posts, which are based on the products you choose to promote on your blog. These customized links will direct readers that click to the item on Amazon's page, and if they buy the product, you get a commission. Best thing is that these links will remain on your blog forever as long as you leave them there, meaning you can be paid commissions for an endless period of time whenever someone makes a purchase through your referred link. Amazon Associates has integrated their affiliate program with Blogger, which will make it easier for bloggers to add relevant Amazon product links to their blog posts. Amazon Associates for Blogger can be found on your Associates Central webpage. Sign up is really fast and easy. If you already have an Amazon Associate account, you can use your Associate ID. If you are new, you can have your Associate ID almost instantly. For existing associates, it will only take you a couple of minutes to sign up and you will instantly have access. You can turn the Amazon Product Finder on or off depending on your preference. Based on your analytics, you can check where your traffic's coming from. For most people, the U.S. Associates account is the best choice because it allows you to appeal to the most people, but if you focus on a product that targets, for example, the British market, then you would want a British associate sign up. Once your account is set up, you'll place links in your blog posts, either text or image links, which are pretty straightforward. There are just two simple steps. First, type and highlight the text in your blog post that's related. The Amazon Product Finder will search through the millions of products on the Amazon site and recommend those of a close match with the text you highlighted. Second, insert an image or link to that product, which will include your ID. If you're using a blog editor, you might find it easier to write your entire post in the program and then post the draft on Blogger and then use the Amazon Product Finder. The more you sell, the more commission you'll make. General product commissions start at 4%, but after just 6 sales in a month, that increases to 6%. Then there are incremental increases of 0.5% all the way up to 8.5%. Remember, this applies to general products. Many specialty categories like electrical goods remain at 4% regardless how many units you sell. But some categories like digital goods are set at 10% while others have a cap. So be sure to check out on Amazon for the commission rate before you decide on the product. The program's standard advertising fee structure is described here in Table 1. The advertising fee rates is the commission you may earn. It will vary depending on the category of products that are shipped, streamed, or downloaded as applicable in a given calendar month that constitutes qualifying purchases. Here are more product categories and their advertising fee rates. Amazon offers an endless array of products. When you become a member of the Amazon Associate Program, you get the opportunity to earn income. Depending on how you work on your site, the amount you earn can vary from a couple of hundred to even a full-time income. Here are some great ways to help you improve your earnings from Amazon Affiliate Program. Let's have a look. Number 1, deciding on a niche. The very first thing you have to do is decide what your niche will be. In fact, this is a must, or else you're bound to face failure. This is the most important decision you will have to make. The reason being is it's a lot easier to make money through Amazon Affiliate Program When readers that reach your website or blog are looking for a specific product that your website reviews about and offers the product. When you cater to a wide selection of products without a specific niche, it is more difficult as your site won't appear on top pages in the search engines and you don't have the same targeted traffic entering your site. Chances are your income won't be stable and continuous. Number 2, build a good email list. Why? Because email lists can boost up to 10% of your income. Now that's the deal. A great way to build your email list is to offer something for free because most people get attracted to the word free. It can be a report on a product, a buyer's guide, etc. Anything that offers the consumer useful information will do the magic. Keep in mind that it is usually easier when you have a website that focuses on selling a physical product compared to digital products. People naturally have their guards up when it comes to digital products like ebooks and how-to courses. They tend to have a second thought on paying for products like that online. Number 3, create several links to Amazon.com. Every link inside your article or content on your site is another opportunity to lead a potential customer to the product on Amazon. And it's an opportunity for you to make a commission. The more links you insert in your site that leads readers to Amazon.com, the better. Simple text links have proven to be the most effective way to get visitors to click. 6 to 12 links in an article is perfect. Web surfers trust the content on web pages more than any other are of a site, so they are much more likely to click these links than they are to click a graphic link. Product images that click through to the affiliate make up about 15% of total Amazon income, and this is relatively easy to do using HTML code. 4, take advantage of holidays with your own promos. Target every single holiday to get the most out of holiday revenue. It's pretty common to earn extra during some of the main holidays like Cyber Week or Black Friday week, while other holidays like Valentine's Day or Mother's Day are less. They can still amount to much higher than those on an average day. It can be even higher if you create your own promos. You can make an article talking about the top 5 products and distribute it for Black Friday. Or you can offer a free item for Mother's Day. You could offer discounts. It's up to you. Just make sure you take advantage of the opportunity that holidays bring to you. People fall into shopping mood whenever it's a holiday season. Number 5, increase product sales to make more money. While this might seem pretty straightforward, the fact is that the commission rate changes with the more you sell, and the higher percentage means higher earnings for you. The rate for general merchandise is 4% and can climb to 8% with high sales. During holidays, you can actually reach that 8% with a lot less effort. Selling just 7 items in a month takes you to a 6% commission.